Oh my gosh, that scared me.
Your version of this is our thumbs up.
If ship not at precise angle and speed, we die.
Example. I'm sorry, I need to pause. I can't stop thinking about Rocky. Oh my god.
No is yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna throw up because I'm crying so much. Hello everybody, welcome back to the bakery, and if you're new here, hi, I'm MalBread. I'm a variety streamer on Twitch. I also make content on TikTok and on YouTube, and I'm so happy that you're here today. Super excited to be watching Project Hail Mary. I was debating on watching this movie today or maybe later because I am in the middle of reading the book, and I told myself that I would watch the movie after finishing the book, but I can't. It's on Prime and I need to watch it. I cleared up my schedule. The movie is around 2 hours and a half, and I am so ready for more Ryan Gosling. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also read the book or planning on reading the book. I've only heard great things about the movie, and I feel like this is a very accurate and very well done adaptation of the book. Oh, and stay until the end because I always give you guys a secret emoji to post in the comments below so I know who watched the video until the end. As you guys know, for copyright reasons, I'll be cutting down this video for YouTube, but if you want to watch the full-length reaction video, check out my Patreon link down below where I post all the movie shows and anime that I'm currently enjoying ad-free, available just for you. And if you haven't already, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification on so you know when the next video gets dropped. Alright, keeping the intro short, very excited to see how this movie is gonna go. Grab some buttered toast, get all cozy, and let's get on with the video.
Eye movement detected.
Oh, that looks so tight and claustrophobic. Oh my gosh.
Memory loss. Difficulty speaking. Body movement detected. For your own
Like a little slug.
has not yet been restored.
He's attacking the robot.
Hello?
Dead.
Where am I?
His voice is all raspy because he hasn't used it for so long. Wow! A window! Where the hell is he?
Why is there an atomic resolution scanning electron microscope? Why do I know that? Am I smart?
Why do I know that? Am I smart? You're a science teacher. Wow, nature. That's good for the brain, right?
I can't be the only person here, right?
Pilot detected.
Oh, no, not the pilot.
Not the pilot. He gets off the chair so quickly.
Let's crank up the radio and call Earth.
Current transmission time to Earth is 11 years, 10 months, 14 days, and
11 years. That's not
Nope.
your son.
You're wrong. I need a map.
Exactly. That's another star.
That's not our son.
Ooh, I like the camera work so far.
Are you really eating the sun? The space dots?
That is a great question, Reika, and I'd be curious what your parents think about that. I'm not sure it should come from me. Hey, who wants to play a game of the beanbag is lava? What is the speed of light, Olivia? It's melting your hands, Olivia.
186,000 miles per second.
Oh, give her a round of applause. That is awesome.
I would love to have him as a teacher.
If that were to happen, right? They're gonna figure this out. Right now, the best minds in the entire world are on it.
And they pan to him. That's crazy. Who am I? he only knows his name and maybe bits and pieces of his job.
Leading scholar in your field, a staggering waste of carbon at the UNESCO conference in Denmark.
Damn.
You heard about that, huh? Look, I don't know what this is, but I think I'm not sure that's lava.
It's not.
Okay.
No one in your field wants anything to do with you because you refuse to back down from a very unpopular view, and I can give you a chance to prove them all wrong.
That's Kevin. No running.
I'm not.
He's trying to like change the subject.
Carl, hi.
Dr. Grace, for Troverline samples splashed down last night, I want you to tell me what they are, how they work.
I am a teacher at Grover Cleveland Middle.
And you have a doctorate in molecular biology.
A doctorate, so he's smart.
It's almost like you don't care if I die. Hold on, you have to talk about it?
They're confirming first.
Is that it would be preferable if you did not die.
Preferable.
Thanks, guys.
That's good.
Welcome to Earth.
Oh, it looks like that. Green goop? Like green mucus or something? Gone. What was that?
It's a cell.
It's a cell. Wake up!
Wow.
It's a cell!
It's a tiny alien cell.
Wow.
Lost.
Life outside of the... Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Oh, died.
No!
This is great news. Now we can find out what they're made of. Right? Carbon, oxygen, hydrogen.
Oh.
So water?
It's made almost entirely of water.
I knew it. I know my elements. I learned them at school, and I remember.
The world is counting on you.
Oh, I love the transitions. Oh, he's drunk as hell. Are these made out of, like, pure gold?
Hey, Carl. Do we have an expense account? We don't.
Infinite money.
But I do.
It's set to emit the same infrared light frequency as Venus's CO2 atmosphere,
So if the dots move when you turn the lights on, that means they're looking for CO2.
thus proving the Carl hypothesis.
Sick.
The Carl hypothesis. He's naming it after himself.
Darkness.
Okay, so just put this box in another box.
What? Bro, that guy's smart. So freaking dark.
I'm in.
They're looking for 3 tiny dots in all of this.
Sit down. No, I'm standing like a grown man.
This is the fourth.
What?
They had a baby?
We're fathers, Carl.
We're fathers?
Now I'm sitting down.
Now he's sitting down?
I know. Take this.
It's been a long time since I've taken a pill from a stranger without knowing what it was.
He's taking the medicine. Oh, that's making him super sick.
So don't take it personally.
Need anything fancy? As long as there's a bed and a shower, I'm good. So,
Oh, everybody quieted down.
I can't.
He's nervous.
Spectral signature of CO2. They were like, whoop, there it is.
Okay.
Whoop, there it
You can
is.
sit down.
The way he talks, it's like he's talking to middle school kids.
So that's why they're going to Venus, is what Dr. Grace wants to say.
They're going to breed.
There it is.
I really like him.
How long to make 2 million kilogram?
2 million.
2 million
2 million
kilograms?
is why on Earth would you need that much astrophage?
Nobody told you.
That's kind of like
He has no clearance.
Stand up, Dr. Grace. Stand up.
Commander Yao. I must have known you, but I just don't remember. You make a funny face in literally every picture. You must have been very smart and strong and brave. Ilyukna, first I owe you 3 bags of vodka.
He drank 3 bags already. Man. The music, the acting. Oh, I've got shivers already.
You are now orbiting Tau Ceti.
What the fuzzing?
Oh, this is freaky. There's Skittles everywhere.
The Troboscope operational. The Troboscope operational.
Another ship? It's so big. Yo, it's massive.
Engage spin zone. Incorrect. Welcome to the Hail Mary.
Is it this thing?
He can't drive though.
Erratic maneuver detected.
He's driving like crazy. Oh my gosh, it's following. Oh, it's following so close. Always right next to his ship.
Mary is 800 meters.
Sending me something. It could be
What
a
is it?
Could be a bomb.
I hope it's not a bomb. The movie's gonna end super quickly.
RD detected.
What's that?
They're sending another one.
Why is it moving so much slower than the last one? They think I'm dumb.
They think I'm dumb. Here you go.
If we
I
were
hope
gonna
you
catch
catch
it,
it.
what would we do?
He left his glasses inside. Into the unknown. Into the unknown. Is it headed for you? Oh my god.
No.
Nope. Oh. He's moving so erratically. Come on, get to it. Yes. Oh, he lost it. Yeah. He has it. Okay, awesome. Oh my gosh, he's getting gravity. They're following him around.
Lab operational.
Nice. Nice. Oh, it drips. Whoa. Easy to understand. Oh, he's adding to the map. Earth. Slowly making its way back. You gotta catch it again. And you gotta hurry. No, what is that? 5 of them. Oh, are they trying to dock? Whoa. Making a tunnel for him. I guess so he can go in their ship or it can come to his ship. I heard that this movie used mostly practical effects instead of CGI. Especially, I know eventually we're gonna see like an alien and the whole thing was animated like manually. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Oh my gosh, that was so loud. Ah, that's a human.
Is that me? Oh, okay. Okay. I'll talk.
It's like I don't even know if my thumbs up is being understood. They're taking it off.
What are they doing, Mary?
Wait, what the heck is even happening? Told him to go see them and then kicked him out? Now he's spinning again? Wait, there's oxygen already?
What?
For him? Huh. They made it breathable for him.
I like what you've done with the gravity. I made you a ship.
Aw, he used ramen?
No, I'm sorry.
Jump scare.
You scared me when you went.
It got scared too. Oh my gosh. Is he gonna start dancing? Oh my god, this is so funny. They are perfectly in sync. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Struck a pose. Yeah. Also laughing.
Bum, 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 bum.
It made the exact notes. Huh? Oh, like, look behind you. I left something for you.
Waiting.
Oh.
You're not tapping. Sorry.
I think he's gonna take off his helmet. Oh my god. He's reaching. Yo. The acting is so good. I feel so relieved.
Oh, you want this? Whoa! Christmas Eve, that is. It's really hot in there. Is that ammonia? Anyway, that's. Look, see the numbers? No, they're on the other side. Do it again. If you do it again and you don't.
It's so clumsy.
Do it. Hold it like that. And you look. Wow.
Oh, it's getting all tangled up.
How about something else? Look at this. Clock. We both have time, right? These are the hands, and these are the numbers. 1, 2, 3, they point to the numbers. And if you'll notice, there's numbers there, and there's also numbers here. Okay.
Is it getting pissed off?
Echolocation, right? You need surfaces to see. Try this. You see the numbers?
Ooh, good idea.
What's that?
You can see.
Is that good? Jazz hands means good? We do this. Your version of this is our thumbs up. Nope, that's thumbs down. We do the thumbs up. It's close enough. You want me to wait? I wait? Yeah.
Wait.
I'm really
Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this movie.
I'm talking so much. It's just I haven't been around anyone in a long time. Oh. What have we got here?
Whoa. Is that a calculator? Like a
It's a clock.
timekeeper? It's a clock.
I showed you a clock and you're showing me a clock. We're clock
Bros.
My name, can't wait to hear this, is Grace. What's your word for my name? Go ahead. You know, enough to...
Just one little chitter.
And if I can't understand what he's saying, which is most of the time, he puts on a little puppet show for me and my tiny brain. And you know what? I don't mind it. He's kind of growing on me. At least not growing in me, you know, which was a concern for a little while.
Growing
His
in
son
me.
is dying too, so maybe we can help each other. Same.
Rocky, happy, not alone.
Why are you alone?
Was 23 aliens on ship. Now only one. Grace Rocky save stars. Oh. That's an adorable fist bump. The music is so good too.
Call it fist bump, by the way. What's that? Fist my bump. No, it's fist bump. It's not the same. Exactly. The astrophage has to reach Tau Ceti, otherwise we wouldn't see the betrothal.
Grace very bad to make model.
Do we really need this whole model?
It's laughing.
Right.
Need know why star not die. Need plan, model, make plan. Grace question is dumb.
You know what? Try this.
Why is a school teacher in space? Question.
No.
Don't like that voice.
Can't unhear it, really.
Scary.
Scary.
Nope. Nope. No need to even continue.
Sultry voice.
Why is a school teacher in space? What's so funny? Question. School teacher in space.
She can do anything.
Why is a school teacher in space?
Why is a school teacher in space?
Friendly voice.
Good night, sir.
I watched Grace sleep.
No, that's fine. That's a little weird.
That's a little weird.
Pretty good. Good night.
Not safe. Iridians must watch sleep.
That's really interesting. That sounds like something, can unpack that tomorrow.
He must be exhausted.
We watch Crew many days.
Aw.
Crew, no. Wake up.
Wake up.
So many sides of you lately, and it's great. Right now I'm seeing the underside of you. Kind of a side sleeper anyway. Good night.
Forward, so on, so on.
This is less than a gram of astrophage, and we only need a fraction of this for this demonstration, if you want to take a look.
To do what?
To melt a metric ton of metal.
Wow. So little goes so far. So much energy. Oh, instantly. Made friends on boat.
Movement detected.
Hi, Grace.
Oh,
You're in a ball.
that's so cute.
I come up.
Oh, you're coming up.
Foreign body detected.
Grace and Rocky, big science. How to kill astrophage together. I keep going this way? This room boring. Science. Save Earth. Save Earth. Good
Oh
lab.
my gosh, it's so fast.
Amazing. Rocky wanted to be human technology. Dirty.
Dirty.
Why room for many questions? Apology.
Rocky, stay.
Rocky, new to ball.
Rocky, my hand is up. We can't just show up in a space ball unannounced and move into someone else's spaceship, right? There has to be boundaries.
Boundaries.
We have one mission. But we're two distinct individuals. Both working on our distinct individual parts of that mission. Separately. Okay.
Where's my bedroom?
Bedroom?
Bedroom? Moving in.
Very stupid. How long since last sleep? Question.
Don't talk
Grumpy.
to Armando, yes. Can I help you? You're doing this. It's a lot of this. And then he's like, no understand. And then it's like, I need a word.
He's crashing out.
I'm like one of the villains in the Superman movie. I'm just like trapped in hell. Get me out of here! His eating habit. How do you look when you eat?
It looks beautiful.
Show me. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it goes in like that.
God. He has incredible hearing. He can see through walls. Personal space
Is a premium.
Who is Grace talking to? Question.
There's no way you can hear me right now.
Can hear. Who are you talking to?
You can hear this.
Yes, Grace say you can hear this. Yes.
Oh my god. Look at this. Look how far away.
Great hearing.
Astrophage breeds. Collect a sample. Figure out why it's not eating Tau Ceti.
Who is Grace talking to?
I'm not talking to anyone. I need a break.
Break from what?
Oh my god. Forget it. This isn't gonna work.
It has great hearing. I'm loving this. That's a long name.
It's beautiful.
Grace have mate? Question.
No. I mean, I did. But she thought I had my head in the clouds, and I didn't really want to live in the real world. She was right. Anyway, now she's with Mark.
Rocky hate Mark.
Rocky hate Mark.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of it.
She's actually singing.
Astrophage sampler in position. Question?
Yep. Trays are live, looking both ways.
It is time go.
It's time go.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, they're right in the middle of it. Oh, I love this effect. Whoa, they're so tiny in the middle of all this.
If there's a whole active biosphere in the Petrova line, it stands to reason there's a whole active biosphere on Adrian, which means there's life on Adrian.
Whoa. It's crazy.
Grace!
Yeah.
Life is reason!
Yeah.
No,
You said it, buddy. Life is a reason. Use your words. Life's the reason for what?
Life is reason.
Use your what's life is the
Reason for what? What? Why are you freaking out like that?
life is reason what?
Life on Adrian is reason astrophage imbalance. Life on Adrian makes astrophage die. Grace, if we bring Predator home, our stars not die.
Wow.
Life is reason, star not die. Why didn't you just say that? If there is some kind of microbial predator on Adrian, it'll be in the clouds where astrophage breeds.
Oh, what they found. The answer.
The atmosphere. If we get within 5 kilometers, we'll be ripped into a million pieces and then we'll burn up. Game over.
Game not over. I make chain. I make long chain. I put collection device on end.
Oh, yeah. 5 kilometers of chain, sure. Guard me.
Like this chain, look.
You can do that?
Yes?
I like fishing.
What's that?
He's taking the time to show him fishing on Earth.
Low Earth. Plan is like fishing. We get very close to Adrian atmosphere and lower collector into clouds with chain. Then Grace go on hull to reel it in. If ship not at precise angle and speed, we die. Example.
Example.
Keep proper velocity, even though Grace still have no pilot experience.
I've been practicing, haven't I?
More. No. Left. Be left. More left. It's perfect. No. Wrong.
Erratic maneuver detected.
Wrong way. Wrong angle. Bad. Good. Bad. Not enough. Too much.
I'm barely pulling it.
No, it's bad. Grace Rocky dead. All Rocky, plural. All Earth. Die. We die.
We die.
Rocky
Everybody's
has built,
dead.
Predator collector. Rocky chain spooled and ready. Grace pilot training. Not as good. What think, Earth?
And it's okay. Thumbs up?
No.
Tiny thumbs up?
No.
We got stars to save, okay?
Oh, it's sad for him.
I can give. I go home 6 years slower.
Oh.
That's too much.
Oh.
Rocky watch crew die. Could not fix.
Oh.
Grace say Grace will die. Rocky
Daddy
fix.
can fix. Oh. Oh, he's crying. There's hope. He said yes. Please go back home. There's finally hope.
A hug.
Oh.
It's usually not something one does by themselves.
Oh. Wait, I do the same?
Would you just get in here?
Aww. Oh, this is so adorable.
How do you know when the hug is done?
You just feel it.
Oh. Are
I
you
feel
feeling
it
now?
No.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It literally saved his life. He's finally going back home.
So, what are you gonna do for the next 20 years? You got a plan?
Wait, what? What the hell is happening? Did somebody die? Oh, is this why he ends up going as the scientist? Oh, that's crazy. A huge explosion. There's so much damage.
Now comes the fun part.
Grace go out on hull to retrieve collector? No fun at all.
It's a joke.
Oh,
Not fun at all.
Confusing.
Humor is confusing.
Great.
Uh-oh, that piece is definitely coming off. Okay, what now? Pull it up. Nice.
How long is this supposed to take?
Pieces are falling off.
Collector
No!
should be here soon.
Yeah, it's here.
Low altitude. He's gotta do so much. He's gotta grab it. He's gotta pilot the ship. Hurry. Behind you! Oh! Don't get knocked out now. Did you lose it? Was it attached to him? Oh, he passed out.
No, Grace. Bad idea. Come inside.
Oh no.
No. Grace will die.
Grace will die.
Try again later.
I don't think there is gonna be a later.
Abort.
Okay.
Grace will die. No.
Oh, it's worried about Grace. But the rope? Wait, he's free falling? No freaking way. Get in! Oh my gosh, he's doing it! Amaze! Let's go!
Leave now. Statement.
statement. Get out of there! Get out of it! You got this!
Crash, land, not explode. Deal? Deal.
He did a thumbs down for a thumbs up. Gravity! Ah! Is it getting pulled back in? Fuel compartments, so they're losing. So he won't be able to hold as much fuel when he wants to go back home.
Check other fuel bay.
Other fuel bay? To balance out the ship? He hurt his head. I hate how silent it is. Wake up, wake up. Wake up. Okay. Gravity system. Come on. Oh, I don't like how distorted and like muffled the noises right now. Wake up, wake up. Oh my gosh, there's blood. He cracked the screen. It's gonna try breaking out. No. Oh my gosh, it's hurting. It's dying. Oh, it's sacrificing itself for him. He's burning up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, giving him oxygen. And he's hurting at the same time.
If we miss the orbital window, it'll set us back months.
Yeah, but if no one's trained to do the mission, it won't matter.
Casualty projections go up exponentially if we delay. We launch on schedule with a replacement science officer.
Okay, but who?
You.
I mean that. So, just so I'm clear, you're asking me right now to give up my life.
I am. We all are.
Can I think about this?
You have 3 hours.
I'm sorry, I need to pause. I can't stop thinking about Rocky. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, not only did he save him, he made sure he had oxygen, he was well strapped in, and he gave him like medicine, which like took him more time to do. And the whole time Rocky was like hurting, and you can see like his skin or like his outer surface like smoking. Oh my gosh. Why am I crying for an alien? Oh my god. Oh my god, this is such a good movie. Okay, okay. Whew. Oh my god. Okay, I can't stop. He only had 3 hours to decide if he wanted to go or not.
Eye movement detected. Good morning, Dr. Grace.
Oh my. Oh, it got hurt. Oh, there's so many pieces. Is it resting? Was Rocky waiting for him to wake up so he can finally go to sleep?
And he left me one last message.
Save Earth. Save. Hear it? It was all worth it. It works. Oh my god, Rocky's alive.
Rock, could you just give me a little chance, please, to see Blue?
Oh, Rocky's hugging back.
No is yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna throw up because I'm crying so much.
You gave me everything.
But if I were to give you something?
It'd be pretty cool to see your ship.
Will he be in a bubble and then walk around in Rocky's ship? Oh my gosh. A whole suit. This is what it looks like on the inside? Oh, surprise, they're showing us. Wow. How the hell does this work?
I'm not trying to talk you into anything. I am trying to make you understand what I'm about to do next. Yeah, please.
Are they gonna knock him out?
Come in.
What is this?
Mission plan will state that we induced your coma early to maximize your safety. You will be remembered as a hero.
Come on. This is
I
crazy.
have to.
They're gonna put him on the ship by force.
Sit down and we do it differently. Yeah,
They're chasing him around. Is this why he doesn't remember anything? Because they used too many drugs to like put him in a coma?
No, I don't know about that.
You are bravest human I have ever met.
I'm the only human you've met.
Joke.
I know.
I only meet one human.
And
it's
he's you.
I get it.
Oh, his little dance. Oh. Oh, the music is so good. I don't want to cry again.
You'll be without any fuel, stranded.
Oh.
His life support systems will fail. And if that doesn't kill him, the radiation sickness will.
No.
He's looking at a long, slow,
Death.
painful death. Alone.
As if this movie didn't make me cry enough. There's more shit happening. Is it too late? Is he there? He's there! Rocket! Aww. Oh. They're back together.
You'll figure it
You'll
out.
figure it out.
This is Dr. Captain Ryland Grace reporting from the Hail Mary. As the Iridians say.
Aww. This is so good. They got the germs. Peanut butter. Wow, that's how they contained the amoebas. Class, close the door.
Why? I thought this was a safe neighborhood.
I make door, you close door.
Likes the fresh air.
Where is this? It's so beautiful. Is this like on their planet? But it has oxygen for humans.
It's amazing. Just that you've done it at all. Very cold.
What?
Please tell the biodome illumination team that it's perfect now.
They made a dome for him.
Oh no, this is... You know I'm a sucker for the fog. Can I think about it?
Yes, think about it a long time. Not just 3 hours. I love this. I freaking love this.
Who can tell me the speed of light?
Oh my god, he teaches that babies. Okay, I want to cry. It is so good. Like, at this point, anything will make me cry. And we are done watching Project Hail Mary. I was not expecting to love, adore, get obsessed with this movie. I did not see the second half of the movie coming because, like I said, I'm not done reading the book. I loved it. I love Rocky. The storytelling was so good, the directing, the music, oh my gosh, every second of this movie had its purpose. It was so well done. Let me know if you guys have any favorite moments from this movie. For me, it has to be when Rocky offers some fuel to Grace and Rocky's like, it's gonna take me 6 years longer, but at least you're gonna get home. So then Grace agrees. He's like, okay, there's a possibility of me heading back home. And he starts crying and I start bawling. It was so good. Oh, and I have an emoji for you guys. Drop a clock emoji down in the comments below so I know you guys watched the video until the end. A clock because I really liked how they were trying to learn each other's languages and numbers, and that little moment was so freaking wholesome. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for staying until the end. I really appreciate you. Drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you know when the next video gets dropped. Let me know if you guys want me to check out more science fiction movies like this one, more emotional movies like this one. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to watch more. Please drop down your suggestions. Feel free to, my Patreon is there just for this if you guys have any requests. So until next time, take care of yourself and I will see you in the next video. Bye.